friends, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting here doing a packing video today because in a few hours I will be headed to Greece. I finished packing last night, so I wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing. I am going to Crete, Greece. It's a small island about a 50-minute flight away from Athens. I've never been to Greece at all before, so I went online and I checked the weather, and it's gonna be in the mid 60s during the daytime and mid 50s during the nighttime. It is November, so it's not peak season to go to Crete, but the temperatures are still quite mild. There is a slight chance of rain, so that's something I've kept in mind as well. And I'll be going for a total of 5 days, but the flight time going there and back is gonna be insane. I'm gonna be traveling for like 21 hours, so kind of tedious to get there, but it's all gonna be worth it. All right, so I wanted to start with my main carry-on, and it's this bad boy here, my Osprey. Don't know what model it is, but I'll find it and link it below if I can. I've had this for maybe 3-4 years now, and I love it. So let's dive right into what I'm bringing. Here's everything. As you can see, it is quite stuffed, but I did leave a little bit of room for souvenirs and gifts, stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna actually start with shoes first. I'm gonna be bringing 3 pairs of shoes, and one of them I'm gonna be wearing while I'm on the flight. And usually I like to wear my heaviest pair of shoes, and it's gonna be these ones by Vagabond Shoemaker. They're really cute and really unique, and they're quite comfortable as well, so I'm gonna wear these with socks on the plane. These Tevas here, these are relatively new, but it is gonna be a little bit rocky in Crete, so I'm gonna wear these for some extra grip and friction. And then something that I bring on every vacation to kind of wear inside the Airbnb or hotel, as well as the beach, are my trusty Target black flip-flops. Moving on with my clothes, I'm going to actually be wearing this Carhartt fleece on the plane. It is really cozy and comfy, and I predict that nights are going to be a little bit chilly in Crete. So I have this to wear, and then I'm going to wear it with my gray speckled sweats here that are also going to double as a pair of PJ pants. And now moving on to all the clothing that I brought. I thought about all the outfits that I'll be wearing, and it's going to be a mix of beachwear, swimsuits, some sweaters, skirts, a couple of casual evening outfits while we're having dinner and wine. Here is the blazer that I'll be wearing. It's a little bit wrinkled, but I am going to iron it once I get there. This is my weekday, and it's this really cool linen blazer that's just the perfect amount of thinness. It is still a substantial looking blazer, but it's perfect for kind of like beach weather. I plan on wearing this when we go to wineries with a dress and my cute white Vagabond shoes. I also brought this really cute ombre sweater here. I love it. It's kind of like these really soft lavender, lilac, purple colors, and it is a little bit oversized, but I plan on bringing this when we're doing a food tour. It's going to be very roomy, so I can eat as much as I want, and I'm going to be pairing this with this white skirt here. I got it from American Eagle just for this trip, but I see myself wearing this a lot. It's this tiered eyelet white midi skirt, and I love it. I realize that these skirts go well with so many things, and it just kind of gives your outfit a really nice feminine look. A couple of other things that I brought this tank top that I plan on wearing with the white skirt on one of our casual days. It just kind of gives it a cool, effortless look. And here is the dress that I'm going to be wearing along with the blazer. I really like the neutral colors. It's a little bit wrinkly right now, but I am going to iron it. It's kind of this cute spaghetti strap baby doll skirt, and I've worn this before as a beach cover-up as well. It's very versatile. And I also brought this black sweater. One of the 2 sweaters that I brought along with the other ombre one is this black stitch knit sweater. It's a little bit holey, so some breeze can go through it. This will be perfect for like a day by the beach when I want to still have like the cover up because it's going to be a little bit chilly. I'll have this. I brought my black trusty shorts here that I've worn plenty of times recently. I love these. They're kind of like Bermuda shorts and they're very, very comfy. A little big on me, but I like to pair this with a belt. And I plan on wearing this with a black sheer top as one of my casual evening outfits when I'm in Greece. Here is the sheer top that I'm referring to. It's really, really cute. Obviously very, very compact and easy to pack. A little sexy, so I'm gonna be wearing this with a black bralette, which I brought as well. And some other shorts that I brought are these vintage Patagonia shorts that I just recently got off Poshmark. They're a little bit high-waisted, but I like the color of them. And then these teal shorts that I plan on wearing as well when we go to the beach, or to pair with a sweater on one of our sailing days. For swimwear, I actually brought two and a half, and I'll explain. So first I've got this Everlane black strappy one piece. It's super, super high-legged with a strappy back, so a little bit sexy. Then I brought a really cute mismatched bikini set that I've been planning to put together for a while, so I'm really excited that I finally get a chance to wear it. It's these mustard yellow high-waisted bikini bottoms from Everlane, and then also this one shoulder blue kind of a periwinkle top from Girlfriend Collective. And I feel like these two colors, because they are contrasting colors, they're gonna look so good together and just really fun. Also, if we decide to chill by the pool, I also have this that I can also pair with this if I want a little bit of extra variety. It's basically just this green top here. That's pretty much it that I brought for clothes. I did bring some PJ pants and an extra sleeping top here. And then I've also got some underwear and socks here, not too many. And apologize for the lighting. My apartment does not have the best lighting and it varies all the time because I'm right behind a building, so sorry about the lighting. For my clothes, I like to bring my two like reusable laundry bags. This one's for my intimates / undergarments, and then this one for any like dirty clothes. I like to put them in here and wrap them up when I take them back home, and it's just a really great way to separate your cleans from your dirties. Moving on to just some other miscellaneous things that I also have in this carry-on. I have this travel beach towel here that I got from REI many years ago, but I always bring this if I know I'm going to a beach. A lot of times the Airbnb or hotel will have beach towels provided, but I like to just have my own just in case, and as like an extra drying towel in case I need it. I also have this travel beach tote. I love these kind of canvas totes because they are very, very easy to pack and they pack flat. So this one I got from Amsterdam. This is from a thrift store called Kilo Store, and it's kind of just the perfect size for a beach bag. I also brought my kind of sightseeing bag, if you must say. I just got this and it's from Uniqlo and it's only $20. I've already worn it. I love this like very neutral color, and again, it's really, really flat and easy to pack. Everything's just getting piled over here right now. Some of the things that I have in my carry-on, my GoPro, can't see it, but it's in this pouch here. GoPro must have. And then I also have all my jewelry in here. I'm not gonna go through my jewelry, but I have my earrings in here and my necklaces. I also have this pouch here. It just has a few of my things that are not gonna fit in my main toiletry bag. So I've got my travel shaving razor here. I also got my main hair conditioner, which is actually more of a hair mask because my hair is balayage, so I bring this one with me. And then I have a deep conditioning leave-in hair treatment by Sunbum. Just to finish off this carry-on here, I've got my fiber gummies in this not fiber gummy bag. It's actually an old licorice bag, but I keep some fiber gummies in here because usually when I'm traveling, I'm not eating the best thing and I'm not looking at my daily nutrition and making sure that I hit every category. So I want to make sure that I am able to go to the bathroom. So I brought these fiber gummies with me, and then I have my handy dandy travel adapter since I am going to Europe. Then I have my makeup brush case. So this is something that I got on Amazon. It's a silicone case and it keeps all of my makeup brushes in here. So my blush brush, my eyeshadow brush. It even kind of has my eyebrow pencil just because it's a stick form. And then with this carry-on, there are some compartments up and on the top and below. So in here, I've got an extra pair of sunglasses. They're light colored. they look really cute. Below my carry-on, I also have my main eyeglasses case. Since I do wear either contacts or glasses, I have my main phone charger for my iPhone. An extra plastic bag. I usually don't like to use plastic, but I do have this just in case, and it's really been in my carry-on forever now. Moving on to my main tote bag here. This is my personal item. I just bought this bag specifically for this trip, but also I've been wanting a bag like this. It is by Baggu, and it's their Cloud Travel Tote. I have my toiletry bag, and I'm not going to go in detail into everything that I brought, but some really important things are my travel hairbrush here by Tingle Teaser. Gotta have my contacts so I can see. I wear daily AccuView ones. My favorite sunscreen of all time, this one's by Life Tinted, and it's SPF 30. I wish it were higher, but I love the consistency of the sunscreen, so I will never stop using it. I have this body conditioner by Lush. It's the Rose Argan one. I actually got this as a gift, and it's the perfect cute size to travel with. I do have a few things here. So I cleanse my face with this travel size Glow Recipe Blueberry Gentle Cleanser. To take off my makeup, or I guess this comes before the cleanser, I have this mini size Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. I've never used it before, but it gets really rave reviews, so I'm excited to. For my toner, I put mine in this little Muji container. This one's by Good Light. It's also a Korean brand. Lastly, for moisturizer, I just got this in yesterday. It's by Saturday Skin, and it's a carrot and niacinamide moisturizer. All right, what else do I have in here? I have my camera, but I'm filming with it right now. A very important inflatable neck pillow. I have talked about this in my travel essentials for minimalist traveling. I'm not a minimalist traveler, but I do like things that pack really well and things that will better my quality of sleep, and this is definitely one of them. I also have my handy dandy laptop because I do plan on doing some editing while I'm traveling. Here it is. It's really heavy, and I usually don't like to bring my laptop when I'm traveling, but because I have so much downtime this time, I figured I should probably stay productive. So I have that as well as my laptop charger. Of course, I have some wet wipes to wipe down anything that's yucky. Next, I've got my electronics holder. So this kind of houses all of my batteries, my chargers, and it's in this handy dandy like rollable case or pouch here that I got on Amazon. It opens into these 3 compartments: camera battery, charger, my extra just camera batteries, my SD card adapter, and so forth. And I love this because it is really compact. Then I've got what I like to call my little pharmacy, because this is where I house all my medicines. I have stomach problems, I have headaches often, and I have heartburn once in a while. I've got a foldable, reusable bag. I bring this everywhere with me. You just never know when you need a bag. Got my foldable water bottle because I don't like to buy plastic, especially at the airports. The waters are so overpriced, so I just bring my own, and this is super compact, which I love. I have my travel straw here that I plan on using. So this one I got free. It just comes with a regular stainless steel straw here, and then also a cleaner for the straw. I have an extra camera battery here. I have a scrunchie. This is from Girlfriend Collective. Got my handy dandy camera tripod. Must have, of course. I also have my main sunglasses. I bring this everywhere with me, and I love these. They're by Le Specs. Super cute and stylish. Of course, I have my wallet, and I'm only bringing my essential cards, so my ID, 1 credit card, 1 debit card, and a couple of $20 bills, just in case. So I have it in my little pouch here. And I also have my passport, of course. What's more important than that? You can't get out of the country if you don't have it. And I have my AirPods when I'm editing on my laptop. I also have, oh, that's it for that compartment. And then I have a front pocket here for like my lip balm, stuff like that. I have some pocket tissue. I have my hand sanitizer. This is by Trader Joe's. Then I have a couple of other things here. So I've got my Tide to Go pen, very useful. I've got my lip balm here because, like I said, my skin has been super dry, and that includes my lips. I've got this hand cream here by Necessaire. It's a travel size little body lotion tin. I've got a pen here. You just never know when you need to fill out documents, visas, whatnot, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, I've got this aromatherapy roller ball. I got this in Korea when I was just there in September. It's a tangerine aroma roll-on. I think it'd just be nice sometimes when I'm bored or if I just need a little pick-me-up. It smells really good. I just put it on my wrists. And that is it for everything that I'm bringing. I now have 2 piles of mess here that I have to pack up again. I have traveled so much that I feel like I have a really good understanding of what I really need to bring and what I don't. And of course there are a lot of moments where I still bring a little bit too much, but for the most part, I do know that I want to be comfortable when I'm traveling. I want to look cute, but it all takes just more so planning than anything. Like I always plan out my outfits before every trip, so I make sure that I know exactly what I'm going to wear and I don't bring things that I know are just going to sit in my suitcase during the whole duration of the trip. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up. I do still have some work to do. I am starving. I need to get lunch, and then my flight tonight is at 6:20 p.m. Hope you found this packing video interesting. I like packing. It's somewhat therapeutic for me, so I'm happy to do more of these if you like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more of these, as well as more travel vlogs. Also, happy Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving Eve, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys. Super grateful for all of your support and your views, for everyone who comments on my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!